Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get free TikTok coin. So the first thing you have to do is open your TikTok, click on profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner. Click on those three lines in the top right corner. And now click on setting and privacy. After that, click on privacy and make sure your account is not private. Now go back to your TikTok profile and copy the username like this. Once you're done, open your Google or Safari and search for this website named as freetalk.org. Click on this very first website and it will open up like this. Now here what you have to do is add that username which you copied earlier. After that, click on amount and choose how many coins you want and then hit continue, and the website will then start preparing coins for you. After that, you need to prove you're not a robot by completing some task. It might ask for email or something similar. Those tasks will be on your screen like this, so follow the instructions. So the offer I chose is to add my phone number, so they send a verification code. After entering the code, the verification process is successful, and by following these simple steps, you will get free TikTok coins. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.